Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an FAQ section on one of your sites. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on the Wix Studio editor. However, the same process applies for the standard editor as well, so use whichever one you want. I'll be using the Studio editor for now, and as you can see, I'm currently in the edit view for one of my sites. Now, the first thing I did is I've already created a new page. You can go ahead and create a page yourself. Just create a separate page, name it FAQ. It really doesn't matter, but this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is completely empty. And now if you have some templates for FAQs, you can very easily use them. However, I don't, so I'm going to add elements or add text elements and create an FAQ that way. Now, if I go to add an element here or even up here to the top, I'll go to text and then I'm going to go to text styles. I'm going to take heading 1 and I'm going to rename that heading into FAQ, just like that. And let me just delete the spacing. And now that we have that, we're going to add a heading 2 for a question, and you're going to want to use heading 2s for each question you have. It looks something like this. Let's say question 1, and it looks like that. And now you're going to add paragraphed text just like this to your questions to actually answer them. Now, you can use collapsible text if you want to. I prefer to just use standard text just to not, confuse people that are visiting the site. And I'll extend this to here just so that I can save space. And let's say I name this answer 1, and then that is pretty much it. And that is sort of what you want your FAQ to look like. I would recommend that you edit the text, or rather edit the font size for the text, just so that it doesn't look this large. If I zoom it down, it does change the font size, so you can do that. And let me do it for this, just resize it, and now it looks a bit more respectable, I would say. And yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.